In this video, I am going to explain about how to download Excel data into Power BI desktop. So first, please open Power BI desktop. The moment whenever you open, you can give a double click. Yes. Click on blank report. Now this is the blank window. This is the blank window. And now to get the data into Power BI, you can get from multiple sources. For example, if you click on data, get data, see here you have multiple data sources like Excel workbook, Power BI semantic models, data flows, SQL server, text, or you can download from any web. If you click on more, you will get all the types of from wherever you can get the data from files, databases. Now I am planning to get the data from Excel workbook. So I click on Excel workbook and just click on connect. And in this, you can select the file from where you want to download the data. Click on open. Now in this, see from data workbook, I am planning to download data. That data workbook contained three sheets. One is HR and one is sales and one is students data. So if you want to download all the three sheets, you can select three sheets. Or if you want to download only a particular sheet, for example, if you want only HR and student data, you can select only two and you can leave the remaining. Now I am downloading all the three sheets. So I have selected three sheets. And in this, again, after selecting, whenever you click on this, you will get the preview also here. And now here you have two options. One is load and one is a transform data. If you click on transform data, data is loaded into Power Query Editor. If you click on load, directly that data is loaded into Power BI desktop. Transform data we use if you want to do any changes like adding rows or columns. In that way, we go for transform data. Here, I don't want to do any transformations in my data. So directly I click on load. See, whenever I click on load, now data is getting loaded from the Excel file to Power BI. See, HR sheet and student data and sales data. And now in this, here you have a pane, data pane. In this data pane, here you have, HR, sales and student data. If you want to see the headers in the particular query, see, these are the headers. And even in this headers also, if it is related to numerical values, you get this sigma symbol. If, if data contains any date, you get calendars in front of that. If it is a text, you don't get anything. Even here also in sales, if you come down, see category, see profit, quantity, region, profit and quantity are numericals. And if you have any dates, so it displays calendar symbol. Now, if you want to view the data, for example, I want to view HR data. So select HR and just click on table view. See, this is the data. This is the data. See, first name, last name, department, job title. So like this, you can download the data from Excel workbook to Power BI. And even if you do any changes, for example, I go to my file location, again in this data, instead of HR, in HR details, instead of employee 001, I make it as Anil. So I save it and then I close it. If you come here, this is employee 001. Now I go to home menu. I refresh data. See, now this is Anil, which means your data from source file to, again, if you do any changes in Excel, even that same changes also is reflected here. But ensure that once you upload from that location, kindly don't delete the file. so that if you don't get any interruptions. So in this way we can download data from Excel to Power BI. Thank you very much. If you really like the content, please do like, share and subscribe for more videos on VBA macros.